Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into the top 7 powerful woodworking and cutting tools you must see in 2026. Machines so insane, they'll change your workshop forever. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your hands, right now.
The Bandit SG40H grinder is a powerful and durable tool designed for sharpening and grinding applications in metalworking and fabrication shops. Built with a robust, heavy-duty frame, it delivers stable performance and long-lasting reliability. Its high-speed grinding wheel cuts through tough materials with precision, making it ideal for preparing welds, shaping metal parts, and smoothing rough surfaces. The ergonomic design helps reduce operator fatigue during extended use, while safety features like guards and easy-to-access controls enhance user protection. Suitable for professionals and serious hobbyists alike, the Bandit SG40H grinder combines performance, durability, and ease of use for efficient metal grinding and finishing tasks. The Bandit SG40H is a heavy-duty stump grinder designed for professional landscaping and tree care operations. Powered by a strong hydraulic system and reliable engine, it delivers impressive cutting performance for removing tough tree stumps quickly and efficiently. The self-propelled design allows smooth movement across different terrains, improving productivity on job sites. Its advanced control system provides precise handling, ensuring safe and accurate grinding. Built with durable steel construction, the SG40H offers long-lasting reliability even under demanding conditions. Ideal for contractors and arborists, this machine combines power, stability, and efficiency for fast and effective stump removal tasks. The Wallenstein 20H log splitter is a powerful and reliable machine designed to handle tough firewood splitting tasks with ease. Built with heavy-duty steel construction, it delivers durability and long-lasting performance for both homeowners and professionals. Its 20-ton splitting force allows it to break through hardwood logs quickly and efficiently. The horizontal design provides stability and easy loading, reducing operator fatigue during long working hours. Equipped with a strong hydraulic system, it ensures smooth and consistent splitting action. The compact yet sturdy frame makes it easy to transport and store. Overall, the Wallenstein 20H is an efficient, dependable solution for preparing firewood faster and with less effort. The Saker pole saw is a versatile and lightweight cutting tool designed for trimming high branches safely and efficiently. Featuring a powerful electric motor and sharp chain blade, it delivers smooth and precise cuts through thick wood. The adjustable telescopic pole allows users to reach tall trees without using a ladder, improving safety and convenience. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Easy to assemble and operate, the Saker pole saw is suitable for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts. Compact yet durable, it provides reliable performance for pruning, tree maintenance, and outdoor yard work tasks. The Wen PL1326 is a compact and powerful woodworking tool designed to smooth and flatten rough lumber with ease. Featuring a strong motor and a wide cutting capacity, it delivers consistent and precise results for boards and timber. Its adjustable depth settings allow users to control how much material is removed in each pass, making it ideal for fine-tuning wood thickness. The sturdy table and solid construction provide stability during operation, while the easy-to-use controls make it suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Lightweight and portable, the Wen PL1326 planer enhances productivity and produces professional-quality surfaces for furniture, cabinetry, and other wood projects. The Trend Hinge Jig is a precision woodworking tool designed to quickly and accurately cut hinge recesses in doors and frames. Made with durable materials and adjustable guides, it ensures consistent, professional results every time. The jig simplifies the process of marking and drilling, helping users create perfectly aligned hinges for doors, cabinets, and furniture. Easy to set up and use, it saves time and reduces errors compared to traditional measuring methods. Its versatility makes it suitable for both novice woodworkers and experienced carpenters. Overall, the Trend Hinge Jig improves efficiency, accuracy, and workflow in joinery and installation projects. The Jessam Dowling Jig is a high-quality woodworking tool designed to create precise and perfectly aligned dowel joints. Made from durable aluminum and steel components, it ensures strength, stability, and long-term accuracy. This jig is ideal for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and DIY enthusiasts who need strong, professional-quality joints. It features adjustable guides that allow users to drill accurate holes in different board thicknesses with ease. The self-centering design ensures perfect alignment every time, reducing errors and wasted material. Easy to set up and simple to use, the Jessam Dowling Jig improves efficiency and consistency in woodworking projects, making joinery faster, stronger, and more reliable. The Virutex Portable Edge Bander is a compact and efficient woodworking tool designed to apply edge banding quickly and accurately on panels and boards. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to use on both job sites and in workshops. The machine ensures consistent, professional-quality edges on furniture, cabinets, and shelving units. With adjustable guides and precise controls, users can achieve smooth edge application on various thicknesses of material. Its strong motor delivers reliable performance, reducing finishing time and improving productivity. Safe and easy to operate, the Virutex Portable Edge Bander is ideal for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts seeking clean, durable edge finishes.